Yeah, amazing. So finally, the market is stable. So for the first time in months, so this is my latest trade. Look, it's clear. I love this kind of trends. So as you can see, also here a clear uptrend. So from this point, I guess the market will create a downtrend, and it will be red, clear red, or at least few down positions that I'm going to win. So I'm with $300. I guess we will go down the first trade. Yeah, let's go down. So as usual, guys, I'm using the same strategy that I always use. The strategy is based on four indicators, risk management plan, and a lot of chart patterns. If you are interested in taking our course, please go. The link is in the description below, or you can go directly to binarystrategycourse.com. So binarystrategycourse.com. And for my students, please go back to chapter 5. There's some uh, new episodes there. There's some updates. You can just rewatch the previous episodes. Amazing. So, guys, even if you don't have a good or big capital, you can start with small capitals, but it's risky, right? So, growing a trading account with like small starting capital requires discipline and a lot of discipline. And also, you need a smart strategy because it's not that easy. You could lose your money that fast, and if you don't have a lot of money, you have less chances to stay on the game. So, for example, you must have also a risk management, like a strong risk management. If you have small capital, you need a stronger risk management. So, yeah, a clear, nice trade. Beautiful. Let's go down again. So, yes, as I was saying, like risk management. Why? Because you want to never risk more than like 1 or 2% of your capital on a single trade. This way, like you can withstand losing trades without blowing up your account. All right. Also, think about stop loss when trading binary options. Just put a stop loss on your mind. That's it. Simple as that. Just to limit potential losses and prevent emotional trading. Like a plan, a strategy that you are disciplined to focus and follow. Trust me, with time, you will be profitable. Great. The second trade, this one is the second trade, this session is, or this trade. See, beautiful. As I was saying, clear, a downtrend. Again, we should go down. So let's put, all right. So also focus on consistency, like over big wins. So aim for small and consistent gains rather than trying to hit like home runs and make fast wins. Consistency compounds over time. All right. So also never try to overtrade or overuse leverage, or like we say over leveraging just to chase profit quickly. It often will lead you to big losses or liquidation in most of the times. Beautiful. Just check here. Yeah, so this one was amazing, clean. Yeah, again, clean. This one was a little bit, but we still have more downtrend or down trades or put calls or put orders to open. So let's open another put order, $300. And yeah, so yeah, you must be educated, guys. You must spend time in educating yourself. You must be familiar with the market, understand how the market is behaving. So adapt also. So educate yourself and adapt, and be, yeah, up to date. Involve some fundamental analysis. like a lot of technical analysis, but at the same time, uh, some fundamental analysis. Even though you are trading like short term and fast trades, but yeah, some fundamental analysis will help. Keep an eye on the news and events. Um, Keep learning about the market, adapt your strategy to different like market conditions, trending, ranging markets and stuff. Continuous improvement in your strategy through like back testing and analysis will keep you ahead from a lot of traders. Reinvest also profit wisely. So when you make profit, don't think that, all right, I already make profit. That means that I'm profitable. I will put everything and go all in. No, reinvest wisely. Great. So see, I predicted this downtrend. Oh, beautiful. Clean, clean, clean. Beautiful. Again, let's go down. Great. So as I was saying, reinvest wisely as your account grows. I mean, invest some of your profit to increase your position size gradually, but don't but like keep your risk percentage low. If you have $100 and you're trading with like $5 or $2, and you turn that $100 into $500, this means that you should. Oh fuck! Oh, I just made it. I forget about the middle band. I hate trading and talking at the same time. When trading live, I make a lot of mistakes. God damn. Let's go. Let's go down again. This will be the last trade, guys. I hope that you learned something. Remember, I'm not giving you any financial advices. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is made for entertainment purposes only. I'm not telling you that you make the same amount of money as I'm doing here. This is just a simulation, guys, of what is possible to be done with binary options. Be careful when trading binary option. You may lose your money. It's risky. Please don't risk money you can't afford to lose. God damn it. See this one also the last second. I guess that's it.